Again, before you perform any maintenance work on your mower, make sure that your spark plug is disconnected. We're going to take out the old spark plug, and I'm just using a spark plug socket wrench. You can see how the old spark plug is very fouled compared to the new spark plug. Check your owner's manual. The one for this mower calls for a 0.030 gap, and we have a gap right here, and it fits very nicely. It's already pre-gapped properly, and you want to make sure you use the proper kind of spark plug. This one calls for an RJ19LM spark plug. Okay, we'll turn it in loosely, make sure we're not stripping the threads. We'll take our socket wrench and just turn it in, just make sure it's snug. We'll reconnect the spark plug to the wire, and we're ready to test.